guys, I'm back. Happy Thanksgiving. Today's going to be a Thanksgiving get ready with me. I did one a year ago, if you guys remember that one. But anyways, let's get into it. Okay guys, I'm gonna start with the makeup. I'm gonna mix these two foundations together, so yeah. Okay, next I'm gonna add some concealer. Okay, next I'm gonna add some contour. Okay, next I'm gonna add some blush. Okay, next I'm gonna add some powder. Okay, next we're gonna move on to eyeshadow. Okay, next I'm gonna add some of this shade. It's almost finished. Okay, next I'm gonna add some highlight. Okay, next I'm gonna add some eyeliner. Okay, next I'm gonna add some mascara. Okay, next I'm gonna add some lip liner. Next I'm gonna add some lip gloss. Okay, next I'm gonna add some more concealer. Okay, next I'm gonna add some more blush. Okay, next I'm gonna add some setting spray. Okay guys, my hair looks a bit crazy, don't mind it, but next we're gonna move on to the hair. Okay, my hair looks crazy, but right now I'm just gonna comb it. Okay, now I'm gonna straighten my hair. I'm gonna do that off camera. Don't mind, it's dirty. Okay, hair is done, pretty simple. Next, let's move on to the outfit. Okay guys, this is what I'm wearing. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving with the best food. Anyways, thanks for watching and keep up for more.